Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made this chicken banh mi. First you want to start by marinating your chicken, and I'm using chicken thighs here. Then grab a cup or bowl and start adding in your ingredients. Here I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, some sriracha, lime juice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 5 spice, black pepper, minced shallot, mushroom umami seasoning, honey, and last is ground and fresh ginger. And then stir that together. Then you will pour your mixture over your chicken and let this marinate for at least a few hours. I personally prefer to let this marinate overnight just to make sure that it's getting all of that flavor. And once you're done marinating your chicken, you'll grab your pan and heat up some oil. And to start this process, you'll just want to get some color on both sides of the chicken thighs. And this process will take about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. Once the chicken has gotten some color on it, you can go ahead and add in your marinade. Turn the heat down, cover with a lid, and let it simmer for at least 12 to 14 minutes. And I do give additional time at the end to caramelize the marinade. Once your chicken is done, you'll just want to cut the thighs into slices and preserve the remaining marinade for the sauce to go on your sandwich. And to assemble the banh mi, I have some fresh cilantro, some cucumbers, and some jalapenos, as well as red chili peppers, my homemade pickled carrots and daikon, the shredded chicken thigh, and now I'm just going to make a quick sauce, which is just some mayo mixed with the remaining marinade. And now you can grab your bread and cut it open. There is a bread that is usually used for an authentic banh mi, but I was not able to find it at the local grocery store, so I just grabbed a French baguette. And I do remove some of the bread at the top just so that I have enough room for the veggies. And now you can add the sauce that was just made on both sides of the bread. And then add in your chicken. Next, you can add your veggies, starting with the cucumber slices. And then the pickled daikon and carrots. Add some peppers. And you don't have to add as many as I'm adding here because it can get spicy. And last, add the cilantro. And there you have it. This is literally one of my favorite sandwiches. So many delicious flavors. So let me know if you enjoyed this recipe in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.